Hi everyone, welcome to the new lab of Wireshark tool, how to use the Wireshark. Okay, so Wireshark is a tool that is used to communicate, check the communication between the two devices. Okay, so let's go ahead and I will use this on my Linux as well to check with the connectivity with the two devices. So uh, here we have two devices, device 1 and device 2, okay, which I want to communicate, okay, and I'll use the Linux machine, okay, to check using this Wireshark tool, which is used to check the communication between the two devices. I'll capture the traffic between the two devices and we'll check every details about the data packet, source IP, destination IP, and what is the MAC address, etc. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'll just open my command prompt, type the IP config to check with my IP address, which is coming 49. And now you can see 192.168.1.49. And now I'm opening my Windows machine and opening the command prompt, typing the IP config, and with checking the IP address. Okay, IP, you can see over here it is showing IP address is 192.168.1.51. All right, you can see that over here. Great. Now we'll ping the other machine from here. Okay, .49 that I'm using this hyphen A because I'm continuously want to ping that IP. You can see that. And now both are getting communicated. So I'm just open my Linux machine. It may take some more seconds to open up. Okay, Linux machine is usually used for hacking. Okay, if you want to get into cybersecurity and hacking, you have to be very fluent with the Linux. All right, so it is now turning on. Okay, just a moment now. Okay, so by default, you will get this Wireshark tool in your Linux. Okay, so I'll click on the start, type Wireshark, WIRE. Now opening that Wireshark tool. And now you can see on the bottom that is LAN card is mentioned. It is by default the LAN card. I'll just double click on it. Okay, and now you can see that it has start capturing the data packets. You can see it is capturing one by one. I will take any of the data packet to show you. Now you can see I'm just double clicking on one of it. You can see over here, yeah, the destination, the source, it is the Hawaii iTechno, it is my router. Okay, and I'll check with a different one. There is nothing over here. So okay, I'll stop it first, okay, because it's capturing a lot of packets. Now I'm searching for something that I can show you. Okay, here you can see the protocol is ICMP and yeah, okay, you can see the source, which is the 5.1. Okay, this is the source and this is the destination. It is okay. Here it is, the port is unreachable, so let me take you to a different one now. All right, so here you can see that Here it is showing the VMware machine. This is the MAC address, and here you can see that this is the IP, source IP. Okay, and here this one is the destination. Okay, this is the destination, and it is using IPv6. All right, so now I'm gonna show you something else over here. Give me a moment. Okay, you can see this is using a TCP protocol also. Okay, and you can see the source IP. Now you can see the destination IP also. Yeah, TCP6, the protocol, as I have said you. Now I will just stop it and I'll go to the google.com. I will just close everything now. Okay, we'll go to Google and we will check with the data packets now. Okay, 1 second, please. I'll just close everything without saving. Okay. Okay, now google.com. Okay, now I will check with the data packets. Right, now you can see it is capturing many data packets now. Okay, I'll stop it and I'll show you what we hear. You can see that is the TLS protocol. TCP is also there. All right, now you can see the destination and the source IP here as well. Okay, and it is using the TCP6. So this is how you can just, capture the data packets using the Wireshark. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next lab. Bye.